Here is a 29-inch Emerson Northwind in all of its small glory. Really cool fan, and it's just an absolute joy to look at. This is the fan I got from that lot of fan parts I got from that old electrician I work for or work with. Even came in its original box. It's got the paperwork in here too. And I believe these fans were only made in white and polished brass. Yeah. That's what I got here. Or the 29-inch fan was, at least. It has reversible light oak to what they call medium oak, but that's just regular oak. Very boring. So I decided to put the light oak side down and show it off a little bit. Mint in the box, so it works flawlessly. We'll go ahead and start it up on low. And it's just an absolute joy to watch too. It's very funny looking. Very steep blade pitch, I'd say. That's probably 20-degree blade pitch, I think. I have no idea, to be honest with you. I haven't used a protractor in a very long time. Very quiet. And it moves some pretty good air, especially for being so small. It's got a pretty audible motor whine to it, if you can hear it. Very cool little fan. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'd like to put it at the top of my stairs, but the Ventura is up there, and I really do like having that three-way IntelliTouch setup. And I want to be able to control the light from both the top and the bottom of the stairs. So I'm not so sure where this one's going to go yet, but I'll definitely keep it around. It's too cool to get rid of. And we'll go ahead and see if I can get a startup sound here. We'll fire it up on high. Very smooth little fan. Doesn't wobble. I don't even feel any vibrations coming from it, so it's very well balanced. If I could guess, it's probably from the early 90s, but there's really no date code on it, or not one that I saw. So, yeah. That'll do it for this one. And if I find something smaller, I'll definitely be able to, or definitely make sure to video that as well. Thanks for watching.